Hello, this tutorial covers widget windows in Qrowd. Widgets can be added from the catalog in two ways. The first way is by clicking on an item, which always adds it to the top left corner of the page. The second way is to left click and drag an item onto the page in the position that you want. You can move windows around the page from the title area. The video does not show it, but a move cursor appears. When I left click and drag, the window can be moved. If moved off the edge of the screen, the page will grow automatically and scroll. You can resize windows with the icon at the lower right. Left click and drag. Some windows display alerts depending upon how they are configured. Alerts are covered in a separate tutorial. Windows may also show the age of the contents at the top right. That indicates the last time the contents of the widget were loaded. The title area contains additional icons controlling the windows. On the left side is the collapse icon. When I click that, the window collapses. When I mouse over, the window goes back to its previous size. Click again to lock it in position. The right side has additional icons. The refresh icon lets you reload the widget contents. The wrench icon lets you edit the settings for the widget. The settings that appear depend upon the widget. Every widget is different. All widgets have this window setting that lets you control the title, the color, and sometimes the font size for the contents of the widget. The gear icon lets you edit the implementation for the widget. That is covered in a separate tutorial. The page icon lets you install that widget on an external web page outside of Qrowd. That is also covered in a separate tutorial. The close icon removes the widget from the page. Windows in all pages can be controlled from the settings. You can choose to have a theme color for the web top, a highlight color, a border color for all windows, and you can control how windows act when they are dragged, whether or not they snap to a grid. You may also choose the default font size, which applies for the native widgets in Qrowd. Some additional settings that control the behaviors of the web top. The disable refresh option lets you pause refresh for all widgets in the web top. This is useful to obtain maximum performance, such as when playing games. You can also choose to have the page displayed in full screen mode. The tab pages are removed and all the widgets are displayed in the available screen area. Press the escape key and the tabs reappear. That concludes this tutorial.